No, those toys have to stay inside, buddy. Where's your caterpillar?
The animals want to go to school. Can you put them in the bus?
Are you going to dance? Where are you going? Are you going to go out? You got to take Grandma with you. Oh, was it dancing?
Bye-bye.
Who are you knocking for? Grandma locked it. You need Grandma to open the door. You can't go out by yourself. All right, hold on. Let Grandma stop it.